Welcome back to Make Tools in Schools. So one of the very interesting and unique things about hand tools, small hand tools in schools, is that the students can make their own tools. And those tools make tools. So allowing kids to have small hand tools, allows them to make tools. This one is a stem recorder or plant recorder. It's just a block of wood, a hole, and a dowel, and several other dowels that pinpoint the actual growth of the plant. And then also as the sun moves, the plant also moves, and they can document and record that and log it in over time. And one you may have already seen is the wind recorder. So it too is simple to make. It's a block of wood. Parents can, or dads or hardware store, they can chop blocks of wood for you. You put a hole in it, you build a sail, you put a colored pen on it, you direct it north to south, and it will record the day's wind. And then every day you switch out another color pen. And by the end of the week, you could have the amount of wind and which way it came on any particular day. So tools in schools means they can make tools for science as well.